Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update MuleSoft Anypoint connectors for API policy enforcement step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your MuleSoft Anypoint platform account. Navigate to the API Manager section from the main dashboard. Select the API for which you want to update the connector. Click on the Policies tab in the API Details page. Locate the existing policy that requires the connector update. Click on the policy to open its configuration settings. Review the current connector version being used in the policy. Visit the Anypoint Exchange to find the latest version of the required connector. Search for the specific connector using the search bar. Check the release notes to verify compatibility and new features. Once confirmed, download the latest connector version. Return to the API Manager and click on the Update button for the policy. Select the newly downloaded connector from your local system. Upload the updated connector file into the policy configuration. Review the configurations and parameters of the new connector version. Make any necessary adjustments to align with your API's current settings. Click the Save button to apply the changes to the policy. Select the Deploy option to reapply the updated policy to your API. Monitor the deployment status to ensure the update is successful. Test the API to confirm that the policy is enforcing the updated connector correctly. Document any changes made during this process for future reference. Congratulations, you have successfully updated the MuleSoft Anypoint connector for API policy enforcement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.